Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and fast-growing technologies of our time, the Internet of Things or IoT. From smart homes to connected cars and even wearable gadgets, IoT is all around us. But what exactly is it and how does it all work? Let's find out together. What is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is basically a network of interconnected smart devices that can collect, share, and act on data. Imagine your smartwatch tracking your heartbeat, your air conditioner automatically adjusting the room temperature, or your refrigerator reminding you when you're out of milk. That's IoT in action. Each IoT device is equipped with sensors and processors that help it sense its surroundings, collect data, and communicate with other devices or systems. These devices can be anything from home appliances and industrial machines to vehicles and personal gadgets like fitness trackers or smartwatches. In short, IoT bridges the physical and digital worlds, making our lives smarter, faster, and more efficient. Key components of IoT. Now, let's take a closer look at the key components that make IoT work seamlessly. First, we have sensors and devices, the eyes and ears of IoT. They continuously collect real-time data such as temperature, light, speed, or pressure from their surroundings. Second, there are actuators, the hands of IoT. They take action based on the data received, like turning on a fan when the room gets too hot. Third, we have network connectivity. This is how IoT devices talk to one another. It could be through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, or even satellites. Fourth, comes the IoT platform. Think of it as the brain of IoT. It stores, processes, and secures all the data collected by devices, often using data analytics to derive insights. And finally, cloud computing, the powerhouse that provides scalability and accessibility. It allows us to manage the massive volume of IoT data being generated across the world every second. IoT architecture. To understand how all these components work together, let's explore the IoT architecture, which is divided into four main layers. The first layer is the sensing layer. This is the foundation. It includes all the sensors and actuators that collect information from the physical environment. The second layer is the network layer. It transfers data between IoT devices and the cloud, ensuring smooth communication over the internet or local networks. The third layer is the data processing layer. Once the data is received, this layer filters, analyzes, and processes it. It also decides what actions to take, like sending an alert or turning on a connected device. The fourth and final layer is the application layer. This is the part that interacts with the end user. It provides apps, dashboards, or notifications, allowing users to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Together, these layers form the backbone of every IoT system, from collecting raw data to delivering meaningful insights that we can actually use. Conclusion. To sum it all up, the Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we live and work. It turns everyday physical devices into smart, connected systems that can communicate, analyze, and respond intelligently. But IoT isn't just about automation. It's about building an ecosystem where devices can think, learn, and improve continuously. IoT is already transforming industries, cities, and homes, from energy-saving smart homes to data-driven smart cities that enhance safety and efficiency. IoT is shaping a future that's more connected than ever before. So the next time your phone connects automatically to your car, or your smartwatch tracks your sleep, remember, that's IoT quietly working behind the scenes to make life easier.